Resilient restoration in the context of Te Ao Māori is not just looking at restoration of physical habitats like this wetland. It's looking at resilience and equipping communities, iwi, hapu, whānau, to deal with those climate change impacts when it comes to their natural environment. So looking at factors like effects on mahinga kai species, looking at erosion, and in a sort of rural landscape like this, in the upper catchment you can get quite a lot of sediment which comes down the rivers and streams in extreme weather events and can actually smother some of those mahinga kai species or their breeding habitats. So this place is Toreparu wetland. It's a 225 hectare freshwater swamp. There's not very many wetlands this large left in the Waikato. Most of them were drained or filled in and made into farmland. The key priorities and sites of significance have been identified by Ngāti Whakamarurangi, either through their environment plan or through some of their mahinga kai priorities that they have for the marae. So my role has really been to come in and support their aspirations and objectives and look at what climate data is available for those particular impacts, and really weave things together and work with them to identify how we move forward in terms of restoration and what that can look like. Oh, we've got one!
Oh no, a rat! Ooh.
So what we're doing in this Whenua Koi Order project is looking at how we equip Māori communities to develop restoration plans that are resilient to climate change impacts for the future. Oh, a double one. It's like double rainbow but cooler. So for example, at Toreparu wetland, we'll be looking at sea level rise data and assess what the saltwater inundation may look like in 20 years, 50 years, 100 years. And then we can start to plan our planting guides, what species we grow based on that future scenario.